How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine so far, so good. How about you? How
I'm
are you?
also doing good. Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah, you got a nice topic. We are imperfectly perfect. So it's all right to be imperfect, right?
Exactly.
So, what do you mean by perfection? Can you explain it?
Why not? See, perfection does not lies in anyone actually. Because
Yeah.
if you define a perfection of human beings, because humans are made of.
As you just heard and saw, two guys were talking to each other, improving their spoken English, developing communication skill, and sharing their thoughts and opinions over an online English learning application. If you also want to improve your spoken English, want to develop communication skill, and want to speak as fluent as native, so you have to speak in English. You have to make conversation in English, and this application named Tapri will provide you a platform to speak in English, to practice in English. We often say we don't have any environment, we don't have any friend with whom we can talk, and nobody is here to listen to us. But on Tapri, you will get the environment, people will listen to you, people will talk with you, and if need, so they will help you. I will give you a live demonstration of how does this application work and how to use it. But before that, let me tell you some key point and features of this application Tapri. Tapri is made for those who really want to improve their communication skill, who really want to improve their spoken English. No matter what is your level of speaking in English, whether you know how to speak in English or not, it is completely for you. Second, this application is completely free. It means you don't need to pay a single rupee. Third, no matter where do you live in this world, you can connect to people from all over the world because this application provides its services to each and every person on this earth. Key tip: you know very well, without having vocabularies, you can't make a good conversation and you can't make your conversation interesting. And you can't express yourself, your thoughts, and your opinions. So I have solved your this problem also. I teach vocabularies with stories and then give you a trick to remember those vocabularies in an easy way. These vocabularies you can use while making conversation on that application, which will make your conversation more interesting and funny. Now I am going to give you a demonstration of how this application works and how to make conversation with strangers. So watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, so please comment and subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. So first of all, you have to go to on your Play Store to download this application. I have also given the link in the description of the video, so you can download it from there as well. After that, you have to search here Tapri, and then you will get the application. I am getting open option because I have downloaded this application. In your case, you will see download option, so download it first and then open. Here you are on Tapri. There is a message from Tapri in the written form that welcome to Tapri, listen and create interesting voice conversation. First, you have to make your ID on Tapri, only then you can use its services. At the bottom of the screen, you can see clearly an option login with mobile. So you have to click here, and after that it will ask you for your mobile number in which you will get a OTP. You have to provide OTP here, and that it will take you in the next page. After entering the OTP, you will come on this page. Here on the top you can see an option upload. If you want to add your profile photo, so you can upload it from here. In my case, I am not going to upload any photo, so let's go into another option, and in the next option you have to enter your name here. I am going to enter Go On Buddy, Go On Buddy, and in your bio you have to mention your bio. I'm going to write YouTuber, okay, and then you have to select your gender. If you are male, so select male, and if you are female, so select female, and if you are neither male nor female, so select others. I'm going to select male, and then you have to add your year of birth. So my year of birth is 1998. So set it, and after filling all the information you have to click on the continue. Here we are on the application interface. Here we have 5 tabs on this application. First one is home, second one is discover, third one is create, fourth one is notification, and fifth one is profile. Now we will see the function and use of each tab. But before, let me clear you one thing, that on this application we make podcasts. It means the conversation between you and your partner will be available to listen for each and every user. There is no end-to-end conversation. Anybody can join your podcast, anybody can comment on your podcast, and anybody can listen to your podcast. And if someone wants to talk with you, so he or she can make a request to you for call, but it up to you whether you accept the call or not. Now let me clear your all doubt through example. First, just click on home tab. Here you can see people are talking to each other, and all they have different topics, all they have different title. Let's suppose you like this topic Good Friday and you want to make conversation with Amit, because Amit is a host of this podcast. So if you want to listen, if you want to make conversation with Amit, so you have to click on here listen live, and here you can see clearly that Amit and KK is talking to each other on Good Friday topic, and people are here commenting on their podcast. Okay, so you can also make comment like that, nice topic. And if you also want to join, so you can make request to Amit by clicking on the request to join. So click here, and now you have to fill what do you want to discuss. And let's suppose you write, I want to make conversation. Okay, and then press on the request. So now Amit has got your request. If you like your topic, so definitely he will accept your call. And but now in our case you can see Amit is already talking to someone, so he will take time to accept our call. So if you want to cancel the request and want to listen to other podcasts, so you can cancel from there. Yes, cancel. We will learn further that how you can make your own podcast. Amit has created his podcast, so you can also create your podcast. Now let's go into another tab. This is discover tab, and you can discover topics here. As you can see on top, there are some talk shows going on live, and you can search from there, like hi, do you know Watchman Work and Imran Hasmi songs Ye Dil Mange More. So you can listen to their podcast from here, right? And there are some upcoming talk, my teacher, were my self-worth and confidence killer, like topics, kids versus adults, point of view on life and other things. So these are the upcoming talk shows, so you can also join them. And here are most loved people on this application. You can follow them if you want. Okay, and there are some popular topics like education, startup, business, music, health, Bollywood, lifestyle, finance, economy, food, technology, sports, and learn English, politics. So you can join any topics. Now let's move to third most important tab, create tab. Here you can see several options like inbox, debate, go solo, in-person talk, call your phone book contacts, and create requests. In inbox whatever message you will get from your buddy, you will see here. In my case, I just downloaded this application, I made my ID on this application, so I didn't get any message, so that is why it is showing no result. And if you go to debate option, so here you will see the topic in which you can make debate to people, and you can also create your topic of debate by clicking on create topic. Here you have to mention the debate topic, and then do you support it or do you oppose it, and then create. Simple. And now let's go to the main function of this application, Go Solo. Here you make your own podcast. Just click on Go Solo, and let's suppose you want to discuss over learn English. Let's suppose your title is learn English. Okay, and then you have to select language. I would say you that please select English language because you want to improve your English. You can use any other language, and here you can continue and you can create your own podcast. Continue. Here you are about to go live. To go live, first you have to slide to right to go live, and then you will be audible, and after a few seconds people will able to listen to you and able to make a request to you. It's your podcast, so you will take the requests of the people. You can start your talk over your topic. As you can see that one guy has joined to us, and if he found that this topic is interesting, so he will make you request, and then you can accept the request or deny the request. One more thing, that the duration of this podcast is 30 minutes. After that the call will end automatically. I have a trick by which you can extend this call for more half an hour. I will show you the trick at the end of the video. And if you want to end your podcast before the 30 minutes, so you have to click on the cross button, and then you will show the red button. So click here, and then it will ask you for the last time. If you are agree, so yes. If you don't want to, so then press no. So now you have got the idea how can make you your own podcast. And then let's go to another tab, which is notification. Here you will get the notification from the Tapri, and also you will get the audio of your podcast, and you can listen by clicking it. Here you can listen to your podcast, and you can see that where did you make mistake, and you can improve from there. And you can also share your podcast with your friends and family members, right? And the last tab is profile. So here you can update your profile. You can see whom do I follow and who is following to me, and you can change your picture from here. You can add your social handles link here, and you can follow the topics. You can edit your language. Let me edit my language English, and you can follow any of topics. Like if you have interest in education, so follow in education, then startup, music, business, health, Bollywood, in which you have interest, so just follow. Now let me give you one very important suggestion, is that try to make your own podcast as much as possible, because if you make your own podcast, so you will get more time to speak, and the more you speak, the more you will become fluent and better in English. So I would suggest you daily make your 1 hour podcast and speak a lot. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can extend your call. Okay, so just click on create, go solo, learn, just select English, do the same. So again you are live, but now what you have to do to extend the call, you have to minimize your application, swipe out, okay, and then again go on the Tapri, click on the plus button, and here you can see the option learn join call. So now your call has been extended. I hope you would have got the idea that how does this application works. If you still have any doubts, so please let me know in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as of now, so please subscribe it and share this video with those who really want to improve their communication skill. So happy journey in this fruitful application.